What's up guys, Jerry Mouse is back again. So we are back with another tutorial here on my YouTube channel. So I got a comment from Aidan Train, once again my good friend Aidan Train Dude 21. He told me to explain how I did the moving train. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So with that being said, let's begin. So I told him to do the train comment, but I actually decided to do one myself, which was the BNSF Autorack train. This is going to be led by a Dash 944 CW, owned by Zombie Lordsa 123, and the same thing with the ES44 AC on the opposite side. Just let me renumber the ES44 AC. So, the way you did this, oh wait, never mind, I already renumbered it. So the way you add the moving train is pretty simple, easy steps. So, see, first off, you add your locomotives or trains, including this, 2 locomotives. Then you add your freight cars, including the Autorack train. And then you can make as many cars as you want. So unfortunately, I'm only gonna make I'm gonna make 8 cars. Oh shit. I'm gonna make only 8 cars for this one. So I'm only gonna use 8 cars for this one, because I just don't want to add too much cars, because then the whole thing would lag. Anyway, so we move these autoracks backwards, duplicate the next 4, Alright, now that your train is complete, all you have to do is, before you add the important tool, first you gotta group them together, the 8 autoracks and the 2 locomotives itself. And then you would use the weld script. So you go down, all the way down to the model for the BNS. And then we did this. But before we get into the moving part, we're gonna save to Roblox first. I like to save this as BNSF Autorack train. If you guys want to check my models or have my Roblox account is lowercase j Jerry 6103 happy, and I'm so happy. My avatar is that I have a casket and Midwestern shirt. Alright, so after I submit it, copy it, then you want to open rail fanning. I made 3 rail fannings, but I opened the 3rd one because it's more perfect than I thought it would be. So then what you do is, you on rail fanning? I'm on rail fanning 3. You need to have a spawn and a regen button, because a regen is very important. You also want to add conveyors. A conveyor is an object that makes things move by itself. And the weld, and if you don't have a weld script, well, this train is just gonna lag and derail. Then I'm gonna delete the original train icon, which is the local C, my favorite train. Then I move the Autorack train backwards, I put it in the model with the regen button, and then we play. It's gonna be really simple, very easy, and I hope you guys get it. So right after you do that, just wait for the train to move, and then you could just, and since the trains are just already on, but they're not mostly on, just take out all the models and let them fall out. Then once you do that, this is the special part. You add your conveyor. I set it to 80, like I said in my last tutorial video. And then you would go to view to view 20. You go to view and properties, the workspace camera, all the way down to data 20. And then as you find out, ta-da! This train moves by itself. And now the Dash 944 CW and the ES44AC are moving by itself. Just like I said in my last tutorial, if you want to add horns and bells, check out my last video. Oh my god, 5706 and 6221. I didn't even notice that. But thank god I caught 6221 in my rail fanning BNSF. It goes slow, but when you go to any video editing, you can speed it up a little bit. Just put the speed stuff in the horns and bells. I'll link. Oh, you know what? Just check out my last tutorial video. But yeah, that's how you do it. So yeah, that's how you make a train move by itself by using the weld script. But don't worry, I'll add this train to the next video. So, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified of all my train uploads. And, alright, let's try to reach 100 subscribers. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time.